Hi, boys and girls, and thank you for coming by to watch my very first video blog. We are going to recreate the day trading that took place on Friday, February the 10th in the S&P E-mini. Let me orient you very quickly to what you're looking at here. This is my workspace on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is, in my humble opinion, the finest charting program and trading platform. And on the right-hand side, you have a 1-minute chart of the ES, and the thinner chart to the left is a 5-minute chart. And the object here is to trade when we have an alignment of momentum flowing in the same direction. So I'm going to be looking specifically for those times when we have the gold MACD histogram pointing in the same direction on both the 5-minute and the 1-minute charts. And you'll find that that will correspond to those times when we also have a red, white, and blue alignment of our moving averages on both time frames. So here is the 1-minute chart, and just to orient you a little bit, this gold line is 4 a.m. That's about the earliest that I would ever start watching the market. That's 4 a.m. Pacific time. This green line is at 6:30 a.m. when the stock market opens, and the red line here is the first possible turning point using the delta phenomenon. So we're going to run from 4 a.m. to 1:15, and we'll use a speed of about 30 times real time, so that we'll cover that 8-hour period in about 20 minutes. And I am going to be taking the trades as I see them. And we won't always have an opportunity to move the stop perfectly, but we'll try and do it as real as we can. All right, let's get started. We turn on the data feed and we start goosing it up here. 8 times, 10 times, 15 times, 20, and 30. That should be about right. Okay. Now, right off the bat, we got a good sell-off here. I probably would not have been around to catch that, but it would have been a good trade, obviously, if I had been there. Now, you can see that the 5-minute MACD and the 1-minute MACD are both bearish. We've got a red, white, and blue bearish alignment going on here. So if anything, we are going to be looking for short trades in this pre-market time frame here. Okay, we're starting to retrace. And here is the dome screen where we'll be placing our orders. It covers the upper part of the 5-minute chart, but we can still see the indicators, and that's the important part. All right, let's see what we got going on here. We're going to get another opportunity on the short side. Now, even though the day has already happened and I traded it in real time, I don't remember it. I haven't completely committed to memory where all of the trades were, so it's almost like doing it fresh and at a faster speed. Okay, over on the 5-minute side, we can see the stochastic is starting to give us a bit of a bearish crossover, at least it was. And now it's kind of straightened out again. Now, we've got a bearish MACD in the 5 minutes, so we're looking for a bearish on the 1 minute. Will we get it? Alright, let's see what happens here. Yep, let's take this trade, back this up a little bit, we'll bring the MACD down to the parabolic, the stop to the parabolic, and boom, we hit the first target. And as you can see, the parabolic is moving down as the price does, so we're going to drag and drop our stop, keep it even with the parabolic as best we can. Doesn't look like we're going to hit that second target, however. Oops, stopped out. $100 to the good right now. Alright, so let's see. Let's put an arrow here, marking our first trade. Okay, are we going to get another short opportunity? Possibly. If we take out that parabolic. Oh, does this freeze the market? Maybe it does. Yep, there we go. Okay. Stop moved automatically, as you may have seen. We hit that first target. Okay, and stomped out again. Now we got $187. And we'll put another arrow here for our trade. Now, the 5-minute looks like it's about ready to cross to the upside. In fact, it looks like it has. So we're waiting for the white to get above our red here. And there we go. Now, this thing may pull back. And retest that red. We'll see. Yeah, it flipped the parabolic, but we're going to hang in there because we're above the red, and the white is solidly above the red. And in addition, since we've changed direction, there's a good chance that this is either a wave A or a wave 1, which means it's going to head up again, and that's exactly what it's doing here. Nope, took out the target, moved our stop, ended up right on the parabolic. We'll move it up a little bit. Going to hit that second target? Are we going to hit? Nope. Sell off. Okay, we're up to 287 now. Let's see what else happens. Now, we're pretty solidly bullish on the 5-minute, so, but look at this here. I'll go short as soon as that white looks like it's going to go south of the red. Right now. Okay, we hit that. Nope, stopped out, but we did get another winning trade. And we're bullish on the MACD on both sides here now. Incidentally, the MACD on the 3-minute side tends to mimic the movement of the stochastic Actually, I'm sorry, this is the 1 minute side. The stochastic on the 1 minute side mimics the, I'm sorry, I'm misspeaking terribly today. The MACD on the 1 minute side mimics the stochastic on the 5 minute side. All right, what's going to happen here? Breaking to the upside, the white is about ready to go above the red. As soon as it does, we'll be ready to roll here. Now this time we're not stalling anything, so here we go again. Now, notice the parabolic flipped bearishly, but it was the white going above the red that prompted my move there. Oh, now that time we hit both targets. That's why they went away. So we're up to 550 now. And there's another trade. We're using 4 contracts, 2 targets. And there you have it. Okay, we've got a bearish MACD on the 1 minute, but still bullish on the 5. So we're looking for a turnaround. And it looks like it's going to be to the upside. Okay, there's our stop move. Manually move it to the parabolic. Going to hit that second target. Looks like we might, but maybe not. Well, stopped out again, but we're up to 675 now. Still looking bullish over on the 5 minute side. But we're starting to bend, and we're about ready to have the one below the white below the red here. Looks like we've got it now. Got a little faked out, but we're still looking kind of bearish here. Look at the stochastic on both sides. Missing out on a long trade here. Well, we jumped the gun, but we're definitely going to be okay now. Moved our stop, manually trail, hit the second target. Now we're up to 887. Okay, we're heading down, but it didn't stick on the 5-minute side. It didn't have a close on the downside. I think you'll find, though, that even if we'd shorted right there, that we still would have been okay, because it looks like the bearish MACD on the 5-minute is pretty solid. Quite a sideways consolidation here. A little past 11:30 Pacific time now. Are we going to turn bullish? I don't think so. The 5-minute stochastic is in overbought territory. That red moving average is looking very bearish with a downward slope. Okay, now got a cross on the MACD and also on the 5-minute stochastic. Let's go ahead and sell. Okay, hit the target again. Now we're up to 1100. And it's about 12:15. Okay. Okay, check out the 5-minute MACD. It's looking like it's heading towards a bullish crossover. We get that white MA above the red, and we'll be going long. And there it is. Boom. We missed that big jump, but I think we'll still be okay even with that semi-late entry. Yep. Gonna hit that target, but I bet you we will. Okay. $1,312.50 using 4 contracts, and it's now after 1 p.m. and the market closes at 1:15, so I would say that we are done for the day. Boom, and there you have it. All right, so let's get the whole kit and caboodle showing here. And we'll put that last couple of arrows on. We had this short trade and we had this long trade. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I think we actually took 10 during the day. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this recap, and we'll do it again real soon.